Welcome. If you're someone who prefers a darker, sleek look on your apps, or you just want to make scrolling easier on your eyes, then switching to dark mode on LinkedIn is the way to go. In this quick guide, I'll walk you step by step through how to enable dark mode on LinkedIn, so you can enjoy a more comfortable viewing experience whenever you're networking, job hunting, or browsing your feed. First things first, open the LinkedIn app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, look toward the top left corner and tap on your profile picture. This is where you'll find all the personalized settings and options for your account. Next, scroll down and select Settings. This section allows you to control how LinkedIn looks and feels while you use it. From here, you'll want to find and tap on Account Preferences. This is the part of the menu that handles your general account setup, including display choices. Inside Account Preferences, you'll see a variety of options, but the one you're looking for is labeled Dark Mode. Tap on it, and this will bring up the appearance settings. Now you have a couple of simple choices. If you want LinkedIn to always appear in its darker design and stick with it, select Dark Mode. This immediately switches the app into the dimmer, eye-friendly theme. If you'd rather LinkedIn match your phone's system settings, you can also choose the option that follows your device theme. That way, if your phone automatically shifts between light and dark throughout the day, LinkedIn will adjust right alongside it. And that's it. You've successfully enabled dark mode on LinkedIn. It's a small change that can make a big difference, whether you're scrolling late at night or just prefer the stylish dark background. Now that you know how to turn on dark mode, you can enjoy a more comfortable LinkedIn experience while focusing on what matters most: your connections, opportunities, and professional growth.